So today I'm going to talk about how to properly use one of these air speed jugs in fueling your race car and whatnot. I'm going to use my truck because I'm just low on gas. So let's hop into it. All right, if you're not familiar with one of these here speed jugs, just a couple of pieces to it. First, you have your filler here. You have this cap. One of the things that you're going to want to do if you're going to the track and whatnot is remove this before it gets into the hot pit. And put it in a pocket or something, because we had a problem with people leaving those caps down in the hot pit, and we almost lost them. So make sure that that's removed and stowed properly. The next part of it is this little vent down here. Saw a lot of people just like unwinding this the whole way, and they're getting gas coming out the hole and everything. So we're not going to open that, at least not initially. We're going to keep that closed. And then what we're going to do is, you see how I have the tank oriented right now? We're going to pick it up straight up like this, get the tube put into the hole for the gas filler, and then we're going to pick it up. And what is going to end up happening is the flat side is going to end up against the side of the truck. And you can also see it's kind of funnel shaped. This also helps when you tip it, because it creates an air pocket here at the top. That way it prevents spillage. A lot like, if you haven't noticed, oil containers have this same shape. And that's to allow you to tip it without the oil coming out before you. That way you don't have such a tendency to spill. So anyway, let's go ahead. We'll pick this up. I'll show you how it's going to work. Okay, so I got the cap off here. The vent is on tight. Make sure that our top is on tight. And like I said before, I'm going to pick this up, get the tube put into the hole, tip it right upside down, and then crack the vent. That'll make it go in as fast as possible and prevent spillage. There we go. I'm going to bend the tube down, get it into the hole, and then I'm going to lift the jug all the way up. Oops. Lift the jug all the way up, so that tube is straight. Sorry, it's going to hit my mic. And now I'm going to just vent this just a little bit. And now this is going in just as fast as it can go, and no leakage. I used to have it up this high. You can hear the air being sucked into it. So it's not gurgling, it's not sloshing back through the hose. I don't have any leaks because I've just cracked that a little bit, providing enough air into it. Let that gas go quickly. And this is 5 gallons. It's in here. I think I'm down to probably about maybe 2.5 at this point. You can see I have it right straight up and down. I'm not trying to like bend it in and be nice about it or anything. I'm just dump the whole thing. Okay, finishing it up. Not sure how long this took. If I'm wise, I'll put a timer on the screen here for you to see how long it takes. Okay, that's it. Pull the hose back out. And done. 5 gallons that quick. So again, next time you're using one of these quick jugs like this, tip it right upside down, just a little, maybe half a turn, full turn at most on your vent, and your gas will flow right straight out. You don't have to worry about leaks or anything like that, and it'll be really fast. So till next time, if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you out there.